Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is Coinbase Earn free crypto. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi everyone. Coinbase has been running an initiative where it's emailed selective users, people usually with a Coinbase account and Coinbase cryptocurrency wallets, to take advantage of this opportunity to learn about cryptocurrencies and earn small amounts of cryptocurrencies. Let me come out of this screen and show you what I mean. Okay, so I'm logged into my Coinbase account. There's a number of lessons. I've watched these lessons. So you watch a video for 3 minutes and then you answer a quiz, which is basically one question. As long as you get the question right, you've got a chance to earn 2 XLM per video. So I've watched 5 videos and I've got the questions right. Hooray! And I've earned 10 XLM. Now, some context. XLM, let's just show you where XLM is. So I've opened CoinMarketCap and you can see that of the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market cap, XLM is Stellar. Stellar is number 9. So Stellar Lumens. Okay, so it's a decent cryptocurrency, albeit against obviously the resurging cryptocurrency markets after a prolonged bear market period. It's a decent cryptocurrency. Now let's go back to Earn and Learn. So you watch the 5 videos, you answer the questions and you earn your 10 XLM. And then the biggest amount that you can earn is by inviting friends, 4 friends, and you get 10 XLM for each friend that signs up, and obviously needs to be eligible. Each friend that signs up will earn you $10 worth of XLM. So you could earn a maximum of 50 on that particular cryptocurrency. Excellent. So why are they doing this? Coinbase is known for a couple of negative stories. The first is transaction fees. If you compare Coinbase transaction fees to a lot of other cryptocurrency exchanges or wallet providers, they are much higher. And this is something that is a basis in fact. So it does deter people once they get experienced in buying and selling cryptocurrencies, or just buying and hodling, then they want to run as far away as they can from Coinbase, justifiably so. That's very much my position. For a cryptocurrency exchange that I recommend, click on the card above and that'll take you to a video about DSX. So watch that if you haven't watched it already. The second negative story around Coinbase is around data privacy concerns. They are, let's say, analogous to Facebook in that they've had some very serious allegations and also sort of proof and evidence of people using Coinbase customer data. So it's been sold, and that means that you're become part of the product, if you like. And that's the second negative story attached to Coinbase. Once you consider Coinbase Earn with these 2 negative stories in the background, you can understand that their objective is clearly to drive customer acquisition. There are lots of varying reports about the number of accounts opened and active accounts on Coinbase. Let me just click to a couple. In this report, published in October 2018, they're talking about Coinbase approaching the 25 million accounts opened mark, and that's good, but I don't think that's the number of active accounts. That's the total number of accounts opened. And let's click to another report. In this article, it talks about Bitcoin users, but it also talks about, relevant for this video, Coinbase is 13 million plus users. So that's a big difference between the sort of 2025 estimate we saw in the previous report. So my analysis would be that the number of active Coinbase accounts is really the focus for Coinbase here, and they're trying to drive customer acquisition using the Coinbase Earn as a tactic. Against the bear market, it's understandable that there's less activity on Coinbase, and they want to increase that level of transactions and increase the number of active customers. on their platform. So that's why they're doing it. If you want to look at it as an individual and say, look, let me harvest this very easy to get crypto and then transfer it to another cryptocurrency exchange, I think that's all well and good. I think that's probably the best way to approach it. If I wouldn't necessarily use this as a reason to start using Coinbase again, because the transaction fees are still high. So I hope this has been useful to you. It is a way of earning quick cryptocurrency on Coinbase, but you must be wary of the two very negative stories that attach to the platform. First, I mentioned earlier, being the transaction fees, and the second being the data privacy issues. So my recommendation is harvest the cryptocurrency and then take it elsewhere. I hope this video has been useful to you. This is another one on the Learn Money strand, so it'll be on the Learn Money playlist. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you've liked this video, give me a like, click on my face to subscribe, and click on one of the two screenshots to watch another video. Until the next video, thanks, bye bye.